What's up, peeps, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to take you through 3 coins that I have picked up today. Now, before we do get into that, guys, I want everybody to pause the video and drink some water. That's a threat, okay? Take care of your health, okay? Now, not only do I want you to go and pick up some water, smash that like button. Let's try and get this to 100 likes. And if you're not already, drop me a sub. Let's do it. Alright, now as many of you guys know, I cover the same coins over and over again because a lot of you guys only like to watch the same coins. But there's a lot of you guys that aren't accounted for, and a lot of you guys who want to know exactly what coins I'm buying other than ICP, other than Jasmy. So let's go and check it out. Alright, you guys, now coin number 1 is going to be Optimism, okay? Ticker symbol OP. What is Optimism? Now, Optimism are trying to build an equitable internet. The traditional web has inherited exploitative economic rule sets that limit power and influence in the hands of few. The Optimism Collective aims to create a new internet that benefits all and is owned by none. This internet will be sustained by rewarding public goods through retro funding. And to put it simply, guys, they're forking capitalism. Now, the internet runs on the super chain. A secure, equitable, and fair internet can only exist if it is built on a decentralized infrastructure, as we spoke about many, many times. Blockchains are the key, but they need a platform for global scale. The foundation of a more equitable digital economy is an interconnected network of blockchains built on a modular open source code base. The system will distribute power more evenly across the superchain, ensuring that no one can own the internet, empowering values, robust infrastructure, and an economy where everybody thrives. Now, the price of Optimism today, guys, is $2.51. We're down 45% all time, and we're sitting at a $2.6 billion market cap, guys. Now, if you want to see where you can buy it, you can see that there's a lot of tier 1 exchanges. We've got Binance here, we've got OKX, we've got Coinbase as well. So already, you know, it should be easy for a lot of you guys watching the videos to go and check it out and pick it up yourselves. But again, we'll make this very basic, very quick and simple. What are the price targets for Optimism? Now, being that Optimism is a scaling solution, I thought the best way to do it would be to compare it to a scaling solution that was very successful in the past bull run. I do see Optimism being very successful, and these newer chains are going to be the ones that have the mass multipliers, guys. I know it's very easy to go back and invest into what we know from the past, but if you really want to max out this bull run, guys, you gotta just put some fear to the side. Yeah, you can hedge and you can have blue chips from the last run, but really I'm trying to maximize how much money I'm making. So if we do attain the market cap that Matic did attain in the last bull run, and that was a $20 billion market cap, which is a 10x away from where we are now, that's a 7x on Optimism's price today, or a price of $18.83. Coin number 2. Now, we've got one scaling solution, guys. We've got one layer 2. Let's add a brand new layer 1 to the portfolio. And today's pick is Flare. Now, Flare is the blockchain for data. It is a layer 1 like Ethereum with added data acquisition functionality. Flare can therefore offer developers decentralized access to high integrity data from other chains and the internet. This enables the creation of dApps with new use cases and monetization models as well. It also allows these dApps to serve multiple chains through a single deployment. Flare is EVM based, meaning any applications written in Solidity to run on any other EVM chain can also be used on Flare, which is lovely. And what problem are they trying to solve, guys? Now, they believe that blockchain based dApps have to be more relevant and useful to the broader population if we're to see the industry truly grow. And yes, we've spoke about this many times on the channel before, guys. This is something that makes me bullish for Flare. Now, one of the key constraints is the limited variety of decentralized data available on chain, which makes it difficult to build dApps that can have genuine roles in people's lives. And this is why the majority of current DeFi use cases are focused on financial speculation rather than anything connected to the real world. And bear that in mind, guys, real world, okay? Remember that. Today, guys, we're sitting at 3.244 cents, down 59, basically 60% from all time, and we're at a $1 billion market cap, guys. Markets available, we've got OKX, we've got Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Kraken, Crypto.com, so there are quite a lot of tier 1 exchanges that already are allowing you guys to buy Flare, but let's see what price we're going to be expecting. Now, I've compared Flare to Cardano. Cardano was like the Ethereum killer of the last run, as many of you guys know, and the fact that Flare is trying to be its own layer 1 chain, which is better than Ethereum, I thought, why wouldn't we just compare it to one of the biggest Ethereum killers of the last run in ADA. Now, I haven't compared it to the all-time high. I've compared it to the market cap of ADA now, because the all-time high for ADA was like, I think it was like 50 billion, 100 billion, 95 billion. Yeah, it was basically 100 billion. Now, if Flare is to reach ADA's market cap, guys, that means we're going to get a 14x multiplier or a 46-cent Flare. Okay, and I think this is on the lower ends of where we can reach. This isn't even really $20 billion, guys. This is a $17 billion market cap. I do think that a lot of these up-and-coming layer ones, they can achieve 20 billion plus, okay, depending on how much money flow we do get into this bull run. So that is coin number 2. And before we continue, guys, just a quick word from our sponsor, Pika Moon. Pika Moon is an NFT play to earn game. PikaMoon.io is the website. They're currently available on BitGet, Mexi, Bitmart, BingX, and Uniswap. So there's a lot of exchanges that you guys can pick up some Pika Moon on. And they've actually released their new open world teaser trailer. Pika is a movement. The hashtag Pika Army march together every day. Their game will be AAA, guys. So again, if you're looking for some new AAA games that fall into the gaming niche, but this could also fall into the meme coin niche as well, then you guys can pause the video and go and check out Pika Moon. Back to the video. Coin number 3. Now, coin number 3, guys, is going to be RSR, okay? Reserve Rights Protocol. Now, what is it, guys? Reserve is a cryptocurrency project. They want money that doesn't inflate like the USD, but isn't volatile like Bitcoin. Their approach is to bundle stocks, bonds, goals, real estate, and more into an index and use that as money. Imagine buying a bag of groceries and paying with a tiny slice of all the world's assets. Deciding what you want to back your R token with is the hard part. Figuring it out can be worth it, since you can turn a profit by creating, governing, and promoting R tokens. So far, the protocol has been implemented in Solidity and deployed on layer 1 Ethereum and the base layer 2. You can learn more about this on the website, guys. You can scroll down there, and again, all the links for this will be in the description, so you can go and read through all the extra bits in your own time. But what price are we expecting? Now, RSR was here in the last run, guys, and we're sitting at a $300 million market cap. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that only 50% of the supply is circulating, so to get to that previous all-time high may be a little bit harder than what it once was. It's going to take a lot more money flow into it, guys. But when you zoom out and you look at the chart, okay, these are the things that we need to be buying, guys. If you've got conviction in coins like this, or you've got high conviction plays and they're still in the bear market floors, then guys, like, all I'm going to say is it's going to get to a few months down the line, probably by the end of the year, and you're going to think, oh my god, look at all the opportunity that we had that we didn't take. Now, I've compared RSR with Maker and Maker's all-time high from the last run, guys. If RSR is to match the same market cap as what Maker did in the last run, then again, I told you, we're not going to reach the all-time high, but we can get a 16x all the way to 10 cents. And remember, guys, be careful of everyone saying that every altcoin has to print new all-time highs. Some won't. Many will, but some won't. And you have to be prepared. You have to have you have to be forward thinking enough to realize, like, you can't just say YOLO everything to a new all-time high, 2x the last all-time high, and then I'm out. It doesn't work like that, guys. And before I finish, I just want to say, if any of you guys want the full list of all of the coins that I have in my portfolio and that I've been accumulating over the past 1 to 2 years, then go and check out the members club. I've got a list of everything. We've broken it down into gaming, AI, real world assets, layer 1s, layer 2s, and trades as well. There's a lot of information, guys. Starts from only 25, 50. You can get pretty much access to majority of things there, maybe just not the real world assets and the AI portfolios, but you're going to get trades. You're going to get the 10x challenge trade, margin trades, high cap, low cap portfolio, and the gaming portfolio as well, guys. So go and check it out. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think of my 3 picks of today. Let me know what your 3 picks of today are. Are you in on any of the coins that I mentioned today? All comments are welcome below. And again, if you've got this far, make sure to pause the video, go run up the likes, drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.